explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 6 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adjectives. So what are these adjectives? Let us talk about them first of all. So adjectives are basically the describing words. Why they are known as the describing words? Because they used to describe about the nouns and the pronouns, right? ये हमें हमारे nouns और pronouns के बारे में कुछ extra additional information provide करते हैं, right? So very quickly, let us begin with the chapter and know more about the adjectives in detail. So first of all, they say an adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. तो adjectives usually ऐसे words हैं जो कि use किए जाते हैं किसी noun या फिर किसी pronoun को describe करने के लिए, right? Now, here we have some sentences. Let's have a look on them, which is, the dog is a faithful animal. He is an honest man. Sonam is a beautiful girl. Next, moving ahead, we have, she is a rich lady. Mr. Raman is an old man. He is poor but happy, right? So here we have a lot more things to know. So let's see. Adjectives usually appear before a noun. तो हमारे जो adjectives हैं वो usually noun से पहले एक sentence में लिखे जाते हैं, right? So in the above sentences, faithful, honest, beautiful, rich, old and happy are the words which describe the noun or pronoun. तो इन sentences में actually faithful, honest, beautiful, rich, old, poor और happy, ये सभी ऐसे words हैं जो कि हमारे nouns और pronouns को describe कर रहे हैं, right? So these are adjectives और इसीलिए हम इन्हें adjectives के नाम से जानते हैं, right? Now, let's talk about the kinds of adjectives. So here we have the kinds of adjectives that are given. Let's read that. What are they? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and the possessive adjectives, right? So ये थे हमारे कुछ kinds of adjectives, right? Moving ahead. Now, let us read about the kinds of adjectives in detail. So, first of all, we have over here, which is adjectives of quality. So, what are these adjectives of quality? Let us read it. These adjectives show the quality of a person or a thing. कि ये जो adjectives हैं, ये actually एक person या फिर thing की quality के बारे में बताते हैं, right? Words like big, small, large, black, beautiful, ugly, handsome are all adjectives of quality because they tell us about the kind of person or a thing, right? So ये कह रहे हैं कि जब भी कोई word हमें किसी person या thing की quality के बारे में बताता है, तब वो कहलाता है adjectives of quality, right? तो कुछ words हैं जैसे कि ये सभी हमें यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. Let's highlight them. They are big, small, large, black, beautiful, ugly and handsome. ये सभी adjectives of quality कहलाते हैं. Why? Because ये हमें बताते हैं कि जो person या thing जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो actually किस तरीके का है. What is the kind of that person or the thing? Right? Let's read the examples. Vishal is a fat boy. This is a beautiful flower. Mumbai is a big city. Right? So in the above sentences, fat, beautiful and big are the adjectives of quality, right? के ऊपर जितने भी sentences हमने पढ़े, इन सभी में fat, beautiful और big ये सभी adjectives of quality हैं because they are telling something more about the person or the thing, right? Now, moving ahead, we have the next topic, which is the adjectives of quantity, right? So what are these adjectives of quantity now? Let's see. These adjectives mention the quantity of a thing and answer the question how many. तो ये जो adjectives हैं ये mention करती हैं हमारे thing की quantity को और आंसर करती हैं क्वेश्चन को जो कि है हाउ मैनी, यानी कि कितने, लाइक इफ वी आस्क द क्वेश्चन कितने, राइट? सो तब अगर हमें आंसर मिलता है तो दैट मीन्स दैट इज द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी, राइट? वर्ड्स लाइक मच, लिटिल, एनफ, सफिशिएंट आर एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी, राइट? सो ये एक्चुअली हमारे much, little, enough, sufficient कहलाते हैं adjectives of quantity, right? क्योंकि ये हमें किसी भी चीज के amount, उसकी quantity के बारे में बताते हैं. Now, examples. There are some biscuits in the jar. There is a little milk in the bottle. I have a lot of money, right? So यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि कुछ highlighted words हैं जैसे कि some, little and lots. So in the above sentences, some, little and lots are the adjectives of quantity. तो इन सभी sentences में ये highlighted words actually adjectives of quantity कहलाते हैं, right? Next, moving ahead to the adjectives of number. So अब बात कर रहे हैं हम adjectives of number के बारे में. So these adjectives tell how many persons or things are mentioned. तो ये जो adjectives हैं ये हमें बताते हैं कि कितने persons या फिर things के बारे में हम लोग mention कर रहे हैं. The perfect, the exact number जब हम mention करते हैं तब वो कहलाता है adjectives of number. Just like words like 10, most, many, few are the adjectives of numbers, right? कि ये सभी words adjectives of numbers की तरह काम करते हैं. Examples. There are 50 students in our class, right? Next, you don't see many birds in the city. A hand has 5 fingers. Correct? Now, we can see some of the highlighted words over here, just like 50, many, 5. Right? So, in the above sentences, 50, many and 5 are the adjectives of number. Right? Next, moving ahead, we have the demonstrative adjectives. So, in this content, we are going to talk about the demonstrative adjectives. Now, what are these demonstrative adjectives? So, now what are these demonstrative adjectives? These adjectives point out some person or thing and answer the questions like which. तो ये जो adjectives है ये actually point out करती हैं किसी person को, thing को और questions का answer करती हैं like which. जब हम किसी specific person को point out करते हो या किसी particular thing के बारे में बात करते हो तब वो कहलाती है demonstrative adjectives, right? This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives. तो ये जो 4 words हैं जो कि यहाँ पर mention हैं, just like this, that, these and those are considered as the demonstrative adjectives. एग्जाम्पल्स हमें यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, लेट्स रीड देम. दिस इज अ बुक. दैट इज अ पेंसिल. These are toys. Those are bags. Right? All these are the demonstrative adjectives. Right? Moving ahead, the next kind of adjective that we have over here is the interrogative adjective. तो अब ये interrogative adjective क्या है? Let's see. These adjectives are used to ask questions. Words like what, whose and which are the interrogative adjectives. तो ऐसे adjectives जो कि question पूछने के काम आते हों, और words यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं जैसे कि words like what, whose and which are the interrogative adjectives. Right? तो हम इन्हें interrogative adjectives के नाम से जानते हैं. Now, we have some examples. Let's read them. Whose bat is this? Which shirt do you like? What kind of boy is he? Right? So, now we can see some highlighted words over here, just like whose, which, and what. Right? So, in the above sentences, whose, which, and what are the interrogative adjectives. तो इन सभी sentences में ये जो words हैं, question words just like whose, which and what, ये सभी interrogative adjectives कहलाते हैं. Right? Next, let's talk about the possessive adjectives. So, what are the possessive adjectives now? Let's see. So, these adjectives are used to show possession. तो ये adjectives actually possession दिखाने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Possession यानी कि belongings यानी कि relationship, right? किन्हीं भी दो चीज़ों के बीच में जब हम एक relationship, उनकी belongingness दिखाते हैं, तब उन्हें कहा जाता है possession, right? So just like we have examples which says, this is my book. It is your book. और these are their cups. So यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि कुछ highlight words हैं, just like my, your and their. Right? So in the above sentences, my, your and their are the possessive adjectives. तो इन sentences में ये तीनों ही possessive adjectives हैं. Why? क्योंकि ये हमें book और the person who is talking about उसके बीच का relationship, उनकी belongingness को दर्शा रहा है. Right? Same with your and book and same with their and cups. Right? So यहाँ पढ़ के हमें पता चला कि these all are the possessive adjectives. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got a lot more information. You are also clear with the adjectives as well as their kinds. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.